Daily use English sentences. Listen, repeat, and practice. Let's begin. You're probably right. Repeat. You're probably right. This sentence is used to agree with someone in a gentle way. It shows that the speaker thinks the other person's opinion is likely correct, even if they are not fully sure. Example: A. I think we should leave earlier to avoid traffic. B. You're probably right. A. It usually gets busy after 6 p.m. B. Okay, let's go a bit earlier then. That's just my opinion. Repeat. That's just my opinion. This sentence is used to show that what the speaker says is a personal view and not a fact. It helps avoid arguments and sounds polite and respectful. Example: A. I think this movie was too long. B. Really? I liked it. A. That's just my opinion. B. I understand. Everyone feels differently. Don't forget to call me. Repeat. Don't forget to call me. This sentence is used to remind someone to call later. It shows that the call is important to the speaker. Example: A. I'm heading out now. B. Okay, don't forget to call me when you arrive. A. Sure, I'll call you as soon as I get there. B. Thanks, I'll be waiting. Don't worry, it's all under control. Repeat. Don't worry, it's all under control. This sentence is used to calm someone and reassure them that the situation is being handled well and there is no need to feel stressed. Example: A. Are you sure the presentation is ready? B. Don't worry, it's all under control. A. Okay, I trust you. B. Everything is prepared and ready to go. I'll give you an answer later. Repeat. I'll give you an answer later. This sentence means the speaker cannot decide or respond right now and will share their decision at a later time. Example: A. Can you join the team project this week? B. I need some time to think. I'll give you an answer later. A. That's fine, just let me know. B. Sure, I'll get back to you. Why didn't you just call me? Repeat. Why didn't you just call me? This sentence is used to ask why someone chose not to make a phone call. It often shows confusion, mild frustration, or surprise. Example: A. I waited for you for an hour. B. I'm sorry, why didn't you just call me? A. I thought you were busy at work. B. Next time, please call, that would help. I'm not ready for that. Repeat. I'm not ready for that. This sentence means the speaker does not feel prepared or comfortable to do something yet. It shows hesitation or the need for more time. Example: A. Are you ready to lead the meeting today? B. I'm not ready for that. A. That's okay, you can join as a listener. B. Thanks, I need more practice first. He's probably busy. Repeat. He's probably busy. This sentence means the speaker thinks someone is likely occupied with work or another activity. It is a guess, not a fact. Example: A. He hasn't replied to my message yet. B. He's probably busy. A. Yeah, he has a lot of meetings today. B. He'll respond when he has time. I must finish this project by tomorrow. Repeat, I must finish this project by tomorrow. This sentence means the speaker has a strong obligation to complete the project before tomorrow. It shows urgency and responsibility. Example: A. Why are you working so late tonight? B. I must finish this project by tomorrow. A. That sounds stressful. B. Yes, but it's important and I can handle it. Can't we wait a minute? Repeat, can't we wait a minute? This sentence is used to ask for a short delay. The speaker wants to pause briefly before taking action. Example: A. Let's leave right now. B. Can't we wait a minute? A. Sure. What do you need? B. I just need to send a quick message. She's never been to Europe. Repeat, she's never been to Europe. This sentence means that at no time in the past has she traveled to Europe. It talks about life experience. Example: A. Has she traveled a lot? B. She's never been to Europe. A. Really? Does she want to go someday? B. Yes, it's on her travel list. He'll be back in an hour. Repeat, he'll be back in an hour. This sentence means that a man will return after about 1 hour. It gives information about time and expectation. Example: A. Is the manager available right now? B. No, he'll be back in an hour. A. Okay, I'll come back later then. B. That would be better. She's been waiting for you all day. Repeat, she's been waiting for you all day. This sentence means that she started waiting earlier and is still waiting now. It shows a long period of waiting and possible impatience or concern. Example: A. Why does she look upset? B. She's been waiting for you all day. A. Oh no, I didn't realize that. B. You should talk to her soon. He needs to sleep more. Repeat, he needs to sleep more. This sentence means that he is not getting enough rest and should sleep longer or more often for his health. Example: A. He looks tired every morning. B. Yes, he needs to sleep more. A. He stays up late every night. B. That explains why he's always exhausted. I didn't close the door. Repeat, I didn't close the door. This sentence means the speaker forgot to shut a door, which could cause inconvenience or a problem. Example: A. Why is the room so cold? B. Oh no, I didn't close the door. A. That explains it. Let's close it now. B. Yes, I'll do it right away.
Thanks for watching.